Alright, so the first thing we do when we teach a brand new board is we get a blank board and we put that into the rails, or in your case it'll be the setup plate. Alright, so once that's locked in place, then we will set up the machine. We will come over to our product editor, just like we have done before, and we will load our product. Okay, so open, and we'll go down to the product we made earlier. Right here it is, SRX PM2. Click on OK. Alright. Then we want to go into Options, Teach Insertions. Alright, it says the machine will be placed into setup mode, the axis will be zeroed if required. Continue, yes or no. We want to say yes. Alright, you can see the machine is zeroing. Alright. Now, what we want to do is we will find an insertion on the board that's in the center of the board. So in this case we're going to go with C1169. So we can come down and see, we can find 1169. In this case it's right at the top. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to say move to hole right here. When we move the hole, the machine is going to move that part, move that table. Alright? Now, if you look closely, right here, you can see there's a light, but it's not over C1169. It's missing. So, what we do is we will set our increment over here to about 100 thousandths of an inch. Alright, and then we can jog the table around so that we line up on top of that circle. What it says is we want to find left hole. Okay, that's where we want to go to, the left hole of C1169. So we will jog. There we go. And now if you look, you can see that the light is over that hole. So at that point, once we are over the hole of 1169, what we will say is correct machine reference. Now before we do that, I'll show you something up here. See, up in here in options where it says machine reference, there is 0 and 0 in the X and Y reference. Okay, what we are trying to do is teach the offset. So when we do correct machine reference, it's going to put numbers up there and your program will be aligned. Then it says move or jog to indicated hole, and we will say find hole. Alright. Machine reference updated successfully. So now if we go up to machine reference, you can see that the machine has put in the measured amount, and we have now aligned the program with the machine. So we'll hit OK. If you want to test it to make sure that everything's okay, you can select a different part. Okay, so let's do 1165, and then you can say move to whole. And you can see now it has moved to C1165, and it is right over the hole, just like it's supposed to be. So there you go. That's how you align it. When you're done, what you want to do is, you see it says modified up here. You can exit on this and say product, save. It now says saved, valid, and you're good. You will be able to run now.